For decades, China was the factory of the world. Cheap labor, massive infrastructure, and government support made it an unstoppable manufacturing machine. But now, cracks are showing. Rising wages, U.S. trade tensions, global companies moving out, and a tech war with the West is China's golden era of manufacturing coming to an end. Part 1, the falling advantage. For years, China had one unbeatable edge, low-cost labor. But times have changed. Wages in Chinese cities have tripled over the past decade. A factory worker in China now costs far more than one in Vietnam, India, or Indonesia. Companies that once rushed to China are now asking, is it still worth it? Part 2, supply chain shift, add in supply chain shocks, and the game changes. COVID lockdowns show the world how fragile China's role is. Companies like Apple face months of delays. Now, many are moving factories elsewhere. Vietnam, India, Mexico. It's called China Plus One, and it's becoming China Minus One. Part 3, trade war, and tech bans, and don't forget politics. The U.S.-China trade war hit hard, billions in tariffs. The U.S. banned Chinese tech firms like Huawei and DJI from key markets. Semiconductor exports are now restricted, choking China's AI and chip ambitions. Western companies see regulatory risk. They're scared of IP theft, sanctions, and a government that can intervene overnight. Part 4, domestic problems inside China. The picture isn't rosy either. Youth unemployment has hit record. Wise, real estate, once a key driver, is in crisis. Consumer spending is sluggish, confidence is down, and government crackdowns on private tech firms are scaring off investors. Can you grow a global economy while punishing innovation? Part 5, who's taking China's place? Countries like India, Vietnam, Mexico, and even the US are picking up the slack. India is building iPhones. Vietnam is assembling Samsung phones. Tesla and Intel are building factories in the US. And Europe, China still leads in scale, but its monopoly is breaking. Conclusion, the decline of a giant. China's manufacturing dominance won't disappear overnight, but its position is no longer secure. With rising costs, global tension, and slowing growth, the world is diversifying fast. The golden age of made in China may be ending, and the next decade, it might belong to the next wave of emerging economies. Like, share, and follow if you want honest takes on global trends.